Good afternoon. Welcome back for the IQM lecture. Okay, so morning lecture we have completed the what are the continuous process improvement and the customer satisfaction. Okay, so for the customer satisfaction, our industrial or organization work should be continuous. Or whatever the continuous process, improvement is important. Okay, so we will start the next point. Continuous improvement in that we have to concentrate on four do's. Okay, four points we have to discuss here. Now that is nothing but the Deming wheel. Okay, so which that to uh, plan, do, check, act. Okay, PDCA cycle. Generally we can say that plan, do, check, and act cycle. This is nothing but the Deming wheel. Okay, so what is actually plan? What is actually do? What is actually check and act? Okay, already we have discussed managerial function in section first. Okay, so that is nothing but the planning. According to the planning we have to implement that planning at the time of organizing and manufacturing. Okay, and next is a check is nothing but the controlling, we can say that, or measurement, supervision. Okay, and after last is the act, whatever the result we have to implement in again planning. So this is nothing but the Deming wheel cycle. Okay, so actually what is a in management language we have to discuss what is a plan. Now in Deming wheel, the plan defines the process which ensures documentation and set measurable objective against it. Okay, planning already is nothing but the plan is nothing but the process which ensures documentation and set measurable objectives against. Documentation is nothing but the, whatever the permissions required, whatever the planning, what is the schedule, timetable. Is it right? So different, we can say that um, notices, different GRs, government rule GR, budget. We can say that budget is also very important. Now in planning, budget will also implemented. Measurable objectives against it. Now to set the objective, this is also planning. Whatever the objective, according to objective, our entire work will be followed. Okay. So for that purpose, the in planning section, in plan, we have to measure, we have to create documentation, store documentation for the um, whatever the proof purpose. And the set measurable objective. Now, what is a do? The do execute the process and collect the information required. Now, this is actually completion or starting of the work. Okay, according to planning, we have to implement the that planning in do activity. Okay, do execute the process and collect the information required. Which requirement? Which process? Manufacturing process may be there, servicing may be there. Okay, in service sector, product sector, you can say that the manufacturing. Okay, or creating, maintenance may be there. Okay, service. So that factors are also important here in do cycle. Check analysis and information in suitable format. Check analysis the information in suitable format. Now checking is nothing but the analysis. Whatever planning we have made, whatever the execution of planning we have made. Okay, so that planning should be in analytical format. Okay, so if you consider the in industrial equipments, industrial objects, okay, there are huge number of objects may be there. Okay, is it possible to measure each and every objective? Okay, no, or to maintain the record of each and every one objective. Okay, so this is quite of difficult, somewhat difficult. So for that purpose, the presentation time, okay, or to store the data, we have to minimize. You have to use the different sheets. Okay, you have to use different tools. Okay, in that check sheet, we can study the different sheets, different graphs for the analysis or for the presentation purpose. Now last is act. PDCA cycle last point is act. The act to obtain corrective action using TQM technique and method and assesses future plan. Act is nothing but corrective action using total quality management technique. Okay, so we are studying the TQM techniques. That whatever the if any correction is there, if any lacuna is there, we have to take a feedback from the customer. According to that feedback, we have to implement corrective action, you have to take corrective action. Okay, you have to implement the innovations as per requirement. Okay, at the end of, and they assess future plans in act. This is the last step in PDCA cycle. Okay, so whatever the lacuna, whatever the results according to the last year result, last budget, we can set the we can change the next year or next planning. Okay, so this is again plan, do, check, act cycle will always continue. Okay, so PDCA cycle will always continue. At the end of each cycle, the process is either standardized or targets are adjusted based on the analysis, and the cycle continues. Okay, if any lacuna is there, so you have to implement, you have to corrective action, you have to take corrective action on them. Okay, and again, if there is no any deviation, so we can continue the previous cycle, and that PDCA cycle will always continues. Okay, so this is a general information of PDCA cycle, or Deming wheel, we can say that. Okay, so whatever that Deming has given this cycle. Again, same in planning. Phase 1 planning is identifying the opportunity. Okay, in tabular format we have given here information. Okay, in planning 2 steps are there. Phase 1, identifying the opportunity, whatever the opportunity, whatever the target we have to set. After second page in planning, analyze the process. Okay, third step is develop the optimal solution. Again, do phase 4 implementation of the planning. Phase 5 in study. Phase to study the results. Plan, do, study, act. Enact, standardize the solution, and the last phase is plan for the future. Okay, so this is a PDCA cycle. Now next point, important point is the employee involvement. Okay, so each and every sector, whenever each and every employee will do work properly, then and then only the entire will work also completed. Is it right? So if there are 4 people or 40, number may be there. Okay, number may change. So all the people should involve them. Is it right? For example, there is one example I am giving generally. Okay, teamwork. Okay, so we can say that the teamwork. Okay, whenever teamwork is possible, then and then only our entire work will finish. Okay, so employee involvement and teamwork is also very important in the TQM model. Okay, whatever the total quality management, as customer satisfaction, employee involvement is also takes very huge role. Okay, नाहीतर एक उदाहरण होतं बघा, in one bus. Okay, so due to some reason bus has get failed or punctured. Okay, बस पंक्चर झाली म्हणून सगळे उतरले लोक खाली, नाही सॉरी बंद पडली म्हणून, मग ढकलून चालू करा, ड्रायव्हर मला ढकलून चालू करा. ओके, सो सम पीपल हॅव स्टार्टेड द पुशिंग द बस. ओके, पण तिथं बस सगळेजण प्रयत्न करतात ढकलतात, मग बस पुढेच जात नव्हती. व्हॉट इज द रिझन? एनीवन रिझन काय असेल? सगळेजण बसमधून उतरले पण बस ढकलतात, पण बस पुढे जात नव्हती. वाय? हाऊ मेनी रिझन्स आर देअर? सगळे ताकद भरपूर लोक, 50-60 लोक होते बस ढकलायला. खरं तर 10 लोकांनी पण ढकलू शकले असते, 50 लोक असूनही पुढे जात नव्हती. व्हॉट इज द रिझन? एनीवन? At the end of this slide, one picture is showing. Okay, any idea? So the people are pushing the bus. Okay, but there was one problem. Okay, as we are mechanical engineers, one simple thing we can generate गिअर काढला नसेल त्यानं, बरोबर का, ड्रायव्हरनं, किंवा काय असेल गाडी न्यूट्रल गेली नसेल. ओके, ते नाही प्रॉब्लेम, काय नाही, ड्रायव्हर तर आत असणारच आहे. ओके, बट वॉट एव्हर द पीपल आर वर्किंग ऑन देअर, ओके, जे काही लोक ढकलत होते बस, ते 50 लोकांमधले काय करायचे, 25 मागून टाकलायचे आणि 25 पुढून टाकलायचे. कशी बस पुढे जाणार, बरोबर का? सो ड्यू टू द लॅक्युना वॉट एव्हर द कोऑर्डिनेशन इन दॅट टीम, ओके, म्हणजे 25 लोक पुढे ढकलत असतील तर पुढे 25 आडवी माघार ढकलतात ना. ओके, सो ड्यू टू द कोऑर्डिनेशन, ड्यू टू द इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट इन दॅट एंटायर वर्क, ओके, म्हणजे सगळ्यांची जर इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट नसेल तर काय होणार आहे, डेफिनेटली एंटायर वर्क विल बी स्टॉप, म्हणजे गाडी पुढे जाणार नाही. ठीक आहे, आता इथे पिक्चरमध्ये काय आहे, सगळ्यांनी जर टार्गेट करून तुम्ही प्रयत्न केला तर डेफिनेटली वर्क विल बी डन. ओके, सो वॉट एव्हर द मेथड, वॉट एव्हर द प्रोसेस, म्हणजे सगळे पुढं थोडं करून वरती एक रूम करते त्याला, बरोबर का? या पिक्चरमध्ये बघा. सो our main target is we have to go in single direction, okay, or in one direction according to the guideline given by the manager or supervisor. Okay, so you have to motivate your employee, okay, to get maximum involvement in work. Is it right? So employee involvement. So we will see whatever the management important approach to improve quality and productivity. Definitely whenever ever in your organization employee involvement is better, okay, then improvement of the quality definitely will get. Is it right? And productivity also will increase. Whenever quality and productivity also increase, we can get the maximum profit also, reputation of that organization. Is it right? So this is the first important point for the employee involvement. Next is crucial factor in achieving higher quality and collective business growth. Definitely, whenever you will give higher quality, we will try to increase quality for the customer, then definitely collective business will grow. Entire business growth of entire business will also do there. Mature organization should demonstrate increasing participation of employee at various level of business operation. Okay, demonstrate is nothing but each and every one of in your industry or organization should be all rounder. Okay, whenever if there is any requirement, emergency requirement, okay, so each and every employee will do any work, okay, whatever work is present in that organization. We can say that in simple language, whatever the work workers, employees should be all rounder. Okay, various levels of business operations they should know. Management should create trust among employees. Trust is also very essential factor in any sector, in organization, in family also, okay, or in any friendship also. So trust among employee, confidence and ownership of their process. So you have to give something authority, ownership to that people, then they will get motivated and they will do definitely work. And whenever he will start work with honestly, definitely quality of that work will get very well. Okay, confidence and ownership. You have to give confidence, motivation. You have to take different training. Maximum try to use different techniques. Whenever you by using that technique, your employee will be involved in your organization. Okay, employee involvement is the also optimized by the use of team. Already we have discussed teamwork. We can say that. Whenever when teamwork will do better, whenever each and every employee will work honestly, then only your teamwork will be happen. ओके, नाही तर मारुतीला पाणी काय दे, मारुतीला दूध घालायला एक प्रसंग तुम्हाला माहिती असेल. सकाळी सगळ्यांनी दूध घालायचं मारुतीला, सकाळी गावातल्या लोकांनी काय म्हणते, प्रत्येक जणांनी काय विचार केला की माझे एकटेच पाणी होतं तर काय होते, मारुतीची आंघोळ पाण्यानं झाली, दूध मिळालंच नाही, बरोबर का? सो लाईक दॅट. सो एम्प्लॉय एव्हरीवन्स इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट इज व्हेरी नेसेसरी. हाव एनकरेज individual effort and ideas. So that point is also very take maximum importance. Why? Because you have to encourage individual. Okay, म्हणजे किती लोक असणार आहे तुमच्याकडे ॲज अ मॅनेजर. ओके, number of people will work in your industry, in your organization. So you have to take that benefit, or you have to maintain the encourage the people, we have to motivate the people. Okay, and whatever we can say that the equality. Okay, म्हणजे समानता पाहिजे तुमच्याकडे. नाहीतर मेवणा आहे माझा पाहुणा आहे म्हणून त्यालाच काम कमी सांगायचं आणि दुसऱ्या शेजारी असेल त्याला जास्त काम सांगायचं. ओके, सो whatever the simultaneous work distribution is also very important. Then and then only individual employee or worker will get encouraged. Okay, so encourage individual effort. If anyone is taking very huge effort in your organization, so you have to congratulate them, you have to give whatever the benefit of that. Okay, so these are the main factors for the encouragement. Okay, if anyone is giving idea for the if any problem, so you have to accept that idea. Okay, you have to encourage them. So that will be also helpful for the employee involvement. Appreciate his effort, appreciate his ideas. That will be important for the encouraging individual or group of whatever any team is also doing very well work. Okay, so you have to appreciate them. Okay, appreciate ideas, effort of his team or his individual person. Okay, so they definitely employee will get motivation. Okay, they will think about this is my industry, whatever the my work is appreciated. Okay, so then they will get positive energy and definitely they will do his work very well. Again, when he will do work honestly, definitely quality of work will also increase. Whenever quality will also increase, definitely profit or whatever the status of that organization will also increase. Suggestions and scheme provide with an opportunity to get involved. Suggestion, you have to, if anyone is giving or making if anyone is doing mistakes in any work, so you have to give suggestion. If any worker is going wrong way, okay, so you have to give suggestion, training to them. Okay, and scheme provide with an opportunity, whatever the way, rule, different schemes, you have to give the schemes to the employee. Okay, so government from the government side, number of schemes are available for the workers or employee. Okay, so you, as an organizational manager or in charge of that organization, you have to give the different schemes to his employee. Okay, then employee will get encouraged. Okay, so you have to take कल्चरल इव्हेंट्स. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे कामगारांसाठी किंवा वर्करसाठी किंवा टीमवर्कसाठी ॲन्युअल गॅदरिंग असायला पाहिजे. इज इट राईट? वॉट एव्हर द ॲज पर ट्रॅडिशन. ओके, डिफरंट ॲज पर आवर कल्चर, वॉट एव्हर द डिफरंट काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, फंक्शन्स आर देअर. ओके, दिवाळी असेल, दसरा असेल, पुन्हा बाकीचे काय असतील, यू हॅव टू गिव्ह बोनस टू देम, यू हॅव टू गिव्ह गिफ्ट बोनस टू देम. डेफिनेटली then that employee will get motivated. You have to give an opportunity to them also. Okay, suppose any scheme is there. Okay, so that scheme should be distributed over entire employee. Okay, so that employee involvement will be also get generated and that will helpful. Recognition of effort. Okay, so as like encouragement or recognize his work, effort, publicity, publicly acknowledging positive contribution of individual or team. Okay, so you have to recognize his effort. For example, if any worker has made very well work, okay, so you have to you have to give publicity to them. ओके, म्हणजे एखाद्या कामगारानं जर तुमच्यात काम चांगलं केलं असेल किंवा ॲन्युअल फंक्शनमध्ये तो बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय ठरला असेल, त्याला गिफ्ट द्या, एखादी ट्रॉफी द्या, सत्कार करा, पेपरला फोटो द्या त्याचा. ओके, so that will get also motivated. Is it right? बघा तुम्ही. Then definitely the positive contribution of individual or team will get generated. Okay, gain sharing of financial reward and recognition. Okay, as we already discussed, whatever the awards we can give, different felicitation to each and every employee. Okay, as per his working capacity or working, whatever he have work. Okay, he had work. Okay, he or she, we can say that. Financial reward and recognition. Promotion may be there. Is it right? So different types of promotion, different type of recognition, encouragement, motivation. So that will also very useful for the employee involvement. Performance appraisal. Already we have discussed this point in chapter number second, three, second. Okay, stopping. Okay, in that performance appraisal is nothing but the entire working biodata of that employee. Okay, performance appraisal, individual or team evaluated and the should provide basis for the promotions, counseling, and several other purpose. Okay, so you have to maintain the record of each and every or individual or group's record. Okay, then for the promotion, for the recognition, for the reward, for the financial support, for the publicity, for the we can say that the counseling, several other purpose, we have to write performance appraisal and you have to give motivation to them. Okay. Then definitely the employee will get involved in your organizational work. Involving employee, empowering them and bringing them into decision making process provide the opportunity for continuous improvement. Okay. So you have to take help from his for the decision making. ओके, नाहीतर हा कामगार आहे म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, बघा की आपण पिक्चरमध्ये बघतो अशा गोष्टी बऱ्याच. इज इट राईट? गब्बर एक बघितला, गब्बर इज बॅक. इन दॅट वन एक्झाम्पल वॉज देअर. ओके, म्हणजे तो शिपाई असतो, पोलीस शिपाई असतो, बरोबर का? पण त्याचं काम, इच्छा असते त्याची काम करण्याची, आयडिया असतात, प्लान असतात, हुशार असतोय. पण लोक त्याला काय सांगतात, जे अधिकारी असतात ते, बरोबर का, त्याच्या ज्ञानाचा वापर करून घेत नाही, त्याला मग एनकरेज करत नाही, त्याला वडापाव आणायला पाठवतात. सो दॅट विल बी व्हेरी क्रिटिकल. सो एम्प्लॉय विल नॉट बी इन्वॉल्व डेफिनेटली. ओके, सो इन्वॉल्विंग एम्प्लॉय take the bringing them into decision making process. Okay, so if you will get chance to decision making to them, so definitely you will motivated. Okay, and you will get encouraged from bottom of heart. Okay, untapped ideas, innovations, and creative thought of employee can make the difference between success and failure. Okay, so definitely employee involvement, according to the employee environment, success or failure will also depend. Okay, so think on that and try to get your employee should be involved in your organization very well. Is it right? Employee involvement improves quality and increases productivity because employee make better decision, expert knowledge. Supply partnership. Okay, only one point, and these are the tools of quality control. Employee make better decision, expert knowledge to implement and support decision, had a part in making, better able to spot and pinpoint areas for the improvement, better able to take immediate corrective actions. Okay, so these are the some skills and points. Okay, will be helpful for the your continuous process improvement. Okay, through the employee involvement, better able to take immediate corrective action, reduces labor management friction by encouraging more effective communication and cooperation, better able to accept change because they control the work environment, increase the commitment to until unit goals because they are involved, increase the morale of employee. Okay, so that point will be generated. Our next point is the supplier partnership. Okay, as we discussed the customer satisfaction. Okay, in TQM model, that factors we have to discuss. Okay, first factor we have discussed the customer satisfaction, employee involvement, and supplier partnership. Our supplier also should healthy. Okay, so then and then only they will provide us raw material. Okay, they will provide us services. Whenever he will give better services and product, definitely our work will also, or quality of work will also increase. Okay, so due to that the supplier is also added in total quality management. Okay, so as we are studying the chapter number 6, total quality management, we have to think all the points. Okay, from the customer to the supplier, transportation. Already we have discussed a lot. maintain good business relation with supplier. In most companies, large proportion of cost of goods sold consist of purchased goods. Is it right? So, in companies, large proportion of the cost of goods sold consist of purchased goods. Now, purchasing of whatever the services or whatever the product. Okay. So that supplier, whatever the relation in between supplier and organization should be very well. Then definitely he will provide you better goods and whatever the raw material. Suppliers are important stakeholders in the company and have a common goal of satisfying end users. Okay. Now, who is a supplier to us? Raw material supplier. Okay. So they may also your customer. Okay. Or you can say that the important stakeholder. Suppose any suppose you are taking raw material from the Tata industry or very reputed industries. Okay. So in market, people will generally say that, so this is a raw material from this product is made through the very well raw material is came from very well industries. Okay. So definitely supplier make or supply is also our important stakeholder. Okay. In company and use common goal of satisfying end user also. Okay. So you have to make better relation in partnership. Ishikawa's 10 principles usually understand the partnership of customers and suppliers. The key element of partnership: trust, long-term relationship, shared vision. Okay, as Ishikawa we have discussed in 7 quality gurus. Ishikawa is one of them. So he has given the study about the customer and supplier. Okay, the key element of partnership: trust. Your trust on that supplier should be there. Okay, and that supplier should also definitely will give better service. Long-term relationship. This is also very important. एकदाच त्याच्याकडून मटेरियल विकत घेतलं पुन्हा घ्यायचं नाही त्याकडून असं that will be very difficult. Okay. Now we have to build up the better relationship. Long-term relationship we can say that. Shared vision. Okay. So whatever the vision we have to discuss to them. Okay, what is our requirement? Okay, to increase our quality product. Okay, to manufacture the quality product. Okay, so you have to discuss your expectations to the supplier. They will also give guidelines. Is it right? So shared visions should be discussed with each other. Now supply partnership, supply selection, single source, multiple source. For example, some industries are there. For example, sugar industry. Okay, who is a supplier for the sugar industry? Okay, who is a farmer? We can say that. Okay, raw material of sugar industry, sugar cane will be produced through the farmer, and that farmer will sell that sugar cane to that factory. Okay, sugar cane industry. But only raw material, only sugar cane is required. Okay, different machineries are required. Okay, different chemicals are required. So multiple sources, from the multiple sources you have to start working. Is it right? So whatever the relation in between supplier and organization is better. Okay, single source may be there, multiple source may be there. Okay, some industries are there is depend on only single source. Okay, so for example, some general stores जर घेतला आपण example. Okay, so for the general stores there is a multiple source suppliers may be there. Okay, but for example gas agencies. Okay, suppose gas agency असेल तर त्यांचा सप्लायर कोण असणार आहे? जे काय HP गॅस असेल, इंडियन असेल तुमचा गॅस, बरोबर का? ते कोण देणार आहे तुम्हाला? ऑर्गनायझेशन देणार आहे कुठले ते, बरोबर का? त्यांना कुठं 100 ठिकाणी जायचं आहे का नाही? ओनली सिंगल प्रोडक्ट्स दे आर वॉन्ट. ओके, सो सिंगल सोर्स ऑफ heat, only single source supply may be there. Okay, but in agriculture product, in market, in you can say that in automotive industries. Okay, so there are requirement from the number of suppliers. Okay, so basic types of supplier: single source or multiple sources. Strategic decision we have to take at the time of decision. Create criticality of item. So at the time of decision making, different for selection the material, selection or choosing the best material, best service, best software, best technique, best procedure. Okay, so that are the very alternatives are different. Okay, so from that alternative we have to take decision from them. Internal knowledge to produce. So internal knowledge to produce. Supplier is specialized in producing the item under consideration. Okay. So that factors are regarding the decision making. Okay. Internal knowledge to produce whatever the internal knowledge of your industrial organization, that will also get helpful for the supplier partnership. Supplier is specialized in producing the item under consideration. Now whenever supplier is there, so suppose he is supplying any material, okay, but he is also different, he will also or he is related, he is discussing to other industries also, म्हणजे तो आपल्याच इंडस्ट्रीला सप्लाय करतो असं नसतं ना. Okay, so we will get the an experience also from him. Okay, because we are the one of the buyer of that particular supplier. Okay, but for that supplier, okay, he is a seller for number of industrial or organizations. Okay, so we have to take that benefit also. Okay, so supplier is specialized in producing the item under the consideration. Okay, so we have to take the decision, or we have to take the help for the decision making also for the supply. Okay, so for that purpose our relation in between supplier and organization should be better. Supplier can be certified using specific criteria of quality system, maturity level, quality delivery, and system consists of mechanism to measure, communicate, and review their performance on the continuous basis. The quality system, maturity level, quality delivery time, system consists of mechanism to measure whatever maintenance, communication, and review of their performance. So all the factors are very important for the supplier partnership. Large companies often invite suppliers to participate in their training programs. Some companies are giving invitation, or that companies are inviting the supplier for his different meetings or training programs. Okay, now what will happen due to that activity? Definitely that supplier will get knowledge. Okay, what is expected by that organization? Okay, he will try to fulfill our expectation or in organization expectation as a supplier. Okay, so yeah, we have to invite them for the cultural programs also. Okay, from the different annual programs. Okay, so our main target is our relation between supplier and organization should be better. Okay, so we have to take maximum benefit to them. We have to take maximum benefit, or involvement in our organization should be maximum. Most of companies recognize the effort of supplier who demonstrate excellent performance and spirit of partnership as a token of appreciation. Okay, now we have to give supplier some appreciation definitely. Okay, whenever we will get the excellent performance, we have to award them. Okay, म्हणजे आपण म्हणू शकतो की माझ्या कंपनी एवढी चांगली आहे, तर रतन टाटा जे आहेत ते बऱ्याचपैकी म्हणतात बघा. ओके, दे आर ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएटिंग हिज सप्लायर्स. ओके, म्हणजे आता कारखान्याचे चेअरमन पण काय म्हणतात बघा, जर शेतकऱ्यांनी चांगला ऊस दिला तरच तुमचा क्वालिटी ऑफ शुगर केन चांगली येणार आहे, बरोबर. मग काय असतं बघा, ते दरवर्षी उत्कृष्ट शेतकरी, आदर्श शेतकरी, ओके, असे अवॉर्ड असतात बऱ्यापैकी इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. Okay, so we have to encourage, appreciate to the supplier also. Okay, so for example बघा आता ते ग्रामीण भागामध्ये पण काय होते, काय म्हणतो आपण ट्रॅक्टर. ओके, फॉर ऑटोमोटिव्ह सेलिंग ऑल्सो. ओके, सो इन ॲग्रिकल्चर सेक्टर खूप मोठा ट्रॅक्टर आहे घालता बघा मागच्या 3-4 वर्षाखाली. बघा एवढं सेलिंग झालं त्याचं, सप्लाय एवढा झाला, तर त्या लोकांनी म्हणजे जास्त गेले तर काय करणार, ते ॲप्रिशिएट करणार लोकांना. ओके, समटाइम्स दे विल गिव्ह कमिशन ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट फॅक्टर फॉर दी सप्लायर पार्टनरशिप. डॉक्टर इशिकावा सजेस्टेड 10 प्रिन्सिपल. आता 10 प्रिन्सिपल इथे लिहिलेत बघा आपण इशिकावाचे. सो वी विल डिस्कस व्हेरी शॉर्ट. सो फर्स्ट प्रिन्सिपल Ishikawa, customer and supplier responsible for the control of quality, definitely. So that quality will also depend on supplier material also. Okay, or according to supply behavior or service or product from the supplier also. Customer and supplier. Okay, so relation in between customer in organization and supplier and organization is very important for the your quality improvement. Okay, so due to that only, this is nothing but the total quality management. Now both should be independent of each other and respect each other independence. Definitely, customer clear and sufficient requirement and supplier know what to produce. म्हणजे तिसरं काय सांगितलंय, already customer what is required for the customer we have to study, and that supplier also know what to produce. सप्लायरला पण माहिती आहे काय प्रोड्यूस करणार आहे. तुम्ही दुकानात गेला कधी फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ओके, एखाद्या तुम्ही वस्तू घ्यायला आला तर दुकानदार विचारतो तुम्हाला ही कशासाठी पाहिजे तुम्हाला, ह्या कामासाठी असं तर ही वस्तू घ्या चांगली आहे जरा म्हणा, किंवा ह्याच्यासाठी असं तर ही घ्या, बरोबर का. सो लाईक दॅट दिस विल ऑल्सो व्हेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर दी क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्हमेंट. ओके, समजा फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही एखादं तणनाशक गेला दुकानात गेला शेतात मारण्यासाठी, तर तुम्ही समजा मागितलं आमच्या ऊस आहे, ऊसात काहीतरी औषध सांगितलं टिंजर मारायचं म्हणून, तर दुकानदार काय सांगेल आपल्याला, हे औषध मारू नका, हे जरा महाग पडते, ह्याच्यापेक्षा दुसरं मारा. ओके, तो सांगेल बाबा रिझल्ट काय, आपण त्याला लगेच म्हणणार प्रूफ काय, तर लगेच कोणाला फोन लावेल, सांगेल बाबा मी स्वतः मारलेला आहे, बरोबर का. म्हणजे लाईक दॅट नो अबाउट व्हॉट इज द प्रोड्यूस. सो ही विल गिव्ह दट गाईडलाईन्स also, and that will be helpful for the improvement of your organization. Okay, both should enter into adversarial contract with respect to quality, quantity, price, delivery method and term of condition. Okay, whatever that customer and supplier should be enter into non-adversarial contract. Okay, with respect to quality, quantity, price of that product and raw material, delivery method, which delivery method we are following. So this is a not adversarial contract we can say that. Contract is nothing but a relation in between there, or bond, something bond. So this is a depend on that. Delivery method and term of condition, different terms of condition given by the customer also, supplier also, and you have to give customer also. Is it right? Now fifth point of Ishikawa is supplier responsible. Provide quality that satisfy customer and submitting necessary data. Provide quality that satisfy the customer and submitting necessary data upon the customer request. So that supplier should give whatever the proof or submitting the necessary requirement data upon the customer's request. Both should decide the method to evaluate the quality of the product or service to the satisfaction of both parties. Both should establish contract settlement of any disputes that may arise. Both should continuously exchange information using multifunctional team to improve product or service. Okay, same सांगितलं discussion झालेलं आपण. Both should perform business activities such as procurement, production, inventory planning, okay, clerical work, satisfactory relations maintained. So already we have discussed with that point. Okay, supplier. When dealing with business transactions, both should have the best interest of the end user in mind. So they both should be satisfied. Okay, म्हणजे customer should satisfy and supplier should satisfy. Okay, then and then only they will give better interest to your organization. True partnership, long-term commitment, trust and shared vision. Ishikawa, like Deming, preaches a family type relationship. So they have given at the end, we can say that the purchases a family type relationship. Okay, so that points are very important for the supply partnership. Okay, so what we have discussed today, supply partnership and employee involvement. Is it right? And Deming cycle or PDCA cycle, we can say that. Okay, so that will be implemented in total quality management. Okay, our last point, one point is remaining, that is nothing but the tools of quality control. Okay, so there are different tools of quality control. So we will discuss that tool. Very important and interesting tools are there. Okay, different types of charts, diagrams, graphs. Okay, so we have to discuss 7 tools of the quality control. Okay, so we will meet again next lecture and we will start the our last point of this chapter is tools of quality control. Okay, so if any doubt is there, you may ask. Huh? Huh. Only tools are remaining. Okay, within 1 hour, our chapter will also finish. Okay, in next lecture. I think so. In study material also, I have updated all the study material. Okay, so you have to take benefit of that also. Okay, those who are absent for the ISC. Okay, so they should attend ISC of all subjects. Is it right? का option राहतात काय करणार हवा. Okay, so we will stop here. So I will take attendance. Don't late. So thank you very much for attending this lecture. Thank you.